Hello and welcome to our latest vlog. So this one is very brief, it's less than 4 minutes, and it's just a little snapshot of some things that I was doing in the days after we had, moved in and I was kind of coming here on my own and I didn't really need anyone else's help for a couple of days. So there was a bunch of tasks that I had to do, like the soap that was already mid-cure in the move had to be unpacked and then put back onto the curing racks. This is candy cane soap, one of my Christmas limited editions. It's delicious, honestly, it's so good. I could use this all year long. Holly King, oh my gosh, Pine Forest, real pagan, love it. What do we have here? Oh, this is Capricorn. This is one of my zodiac soaps. So this would have been made like maybe a day or two before we moved. So it was just easier to keep it in the mold and then cut and cure it once I got to the warehouse rather than, try and muck about with cut bars. Which is kind of scary with the cut bars, because if you drop the basket or something like that, there goes your stock. It's kind of a problem. Yeah, so I'm glad there was a few that I could do like this. What do we have here? Sagittarius. So the reason I made these before we moved, and it was just kind of like seemingly random products in amongst the Christmas things, was I had the oil melter was still full and still had some oil, and I was like, what takes my standard recipe and I'm kind of low on and is really fast to do. So I did these ones. And this cutter, if you're interested, you can probably see the name. It's from Goodspeed. Fantastic Russian cutters. Really, really good quality. I got this a couple of years ago now. And yeah, it's a beast. It's a workhorse. I haven't had to change any wires. It's been great. So the Zodiac soaps all get their own Zodiac sign stamp on them. And I've kept these quite sort of minimalist. I like these bars to just have that color that really stands out. Nice. Yeah. Oh, this is plum pudding. This honestly, it's delicious. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, this camera. Okay, and this is my makeshift shipping station. So I'd say this was the weekend, potentially. And I was trying to catch up on the orders that I'd received over the past few days. And these tables were very kindly lent to me by a friend of mine, Beck from Geektastic Accessories. But yeah, tables this low just kill my back. I've got low back problems. So I can't wait to show you in a future video what I've got now, because another friend of mine made me a custom packing bench and it is absolutely divine. It's the most beautiful thing ever. And yes, that's the recycling pile of doom, which I'm embarrassed to say still remains. It's in a different place now. Oh yeah, some plum pudding. That needed to sit for a day because it's just a little bit more, wet. This particular soap needs a bit longer to cure out before I can even cut it. But that's it for today. Just a super quick video just to basically say sorry for the last one taking so long to post, being like 3 weeks late. So thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.